My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Big Brother Naija live eviction show they don conclude am today, and fans don come out to come blame Wanni over the eviction of certain housemates, and also fans don come out to come clap for some housemates wey be say push themselves from bottom three to top. So today they conclude the live eviction show. From wetin we know so far, the nominees, there be 9 housemates wey be say dem nominate. I talk about Nelly, Anita, TJ, Victoria, Cassia, Onyeka, Shaun, Wanni, Andy. But 3 housemates na im be say Biggie come remove today. Biggie remove Andy first before he come remove TJ, before he come remove Shaun. Today eviction shock a lot of people because according to them, they no believe to say Andy go. As we all know, most people dey make reference to double K wey be say two of them stand up last week, and two of them their fans save them. So they come dey feel to say since na like that, e dey sure dem die to say Andy and Wanni they go dey safe today. Come turn out say Andy they no even vote for her. The fact say Wanni fans they choose Wanni over Andy, some people dey vex because according to them, they believe to say Andy dey more reserved and she be good girl. For TJ eviction, all of us expected that because TJ not really get fans anyways, and people not too like the guy, so e dey obvious saying go. But for Shaun eviction really shock people well because Shaun fans no dey allow us hear word. One thing wey be say all these fans never realize be say once person enter inside Big Brother house, especially for the men, sheep no dey always favor the men. From Big Brother, I don dey follow Big Brother since Big Brother Africa Revolution. You know how many years ago I don dey follow Big Brother. And some people, when they come into the show, they know they learn from the past housemates. Instead, they go still they make the same mistake. You go see say the same next year where we say they come again. On that housemate will come inside, carry sheep for head, knowing fully well say sheep not the favor the man. As they evict Shaun today, Shaun fans the verse, they blame the whole thing on Wanni because according to them, Wanni collect all Shaun fans. They point finger to that day where we say two of them have an altercation, where we say Wanni can they claim to say Shaun do her one thing, Shaun is this, Shaun is that. So I there for that space that night when they analyze that quarry, and a lot of people vex come up from Shaun fan base. Now they vex for Wanni because according to them, Wanni contribute to wetin make most of Shaun fans shift come up from where in they go Wanni side. Normally shippers go always vote for the women, so I not see why una they blame everything on Wanni. Shippers, when two of them they up together, shippers supposed divide the vote into two, vote for Wanni, vote for Shaun. But no, shippers just dependent on Wanni only, they no vote for Shaun fans wey be say they before, most of them, I know so many of them maybe say get money where they contribute well, they don't shift come up from Shaun fan base because according to them, they never supported him in that ship. Now another thing wey even affect Shaun na the fact say Shaun fans they dey always attack Victoria. Like Shaun, you come into the house, second day you dive into ship. Your pair wey be say you follow come inside the house, you no even take care of the girl, nothing. Viewers are watching, everybody dey see how things dey unravel. Everybody dey shout to say Victoria do this, Victoria this, she be furniture, she be that. Una don see am for una sef say na Victoria na dey actually carry Shaun, no be Shaun dey carry Victoria. All this why. Before I play their conversation where we say they have for Twitter space this night over Shaun eviction, I want to say certain things to some fan base like Onyeka fan base, Double K, and Victoria fan base. Now una be the real dogu. For Onyeka fan base, I don't know what I want to tell una because una try so much. Onyeka have always been bottom three. All of a sudden, she not the smell bottom again. She not even smell bottom today. Are they shocked? Say Onyeka did the house, they don't remove Shaun. And for Double K, Cassia and Kelly they come up together for during eviction week last week, and two of them not smell bottom. And I dey see some people wey be say they talk today to say now wey be say Shaun don't come out, Shaun fans go vote for Wanni and Andy fans go vote for Wanni. Ma tell una, Shaun fans they the verse right now. They the verse. So I know Wanni fans, more not put na hope for where those people. They more go vote for na fave by on herself. For Onyeka don already get strong fan base. Wanni get her own fan base. Double K can still get her own fan base safe. And I think Kelly Ray to get your own fan base. But it go good. My own advice, it go good make Double K squad. Make just vote for Kelly Ray because with the way things they go, if they lose guard, they go lose that money. Una listen to the conversation where we say fans have between all these things happen for the eviction night. Una take care, una bye.
Even if man want enter ship, Now 2 days.
Now 2 days. You abandon your partner.
You abandon your
Wanni don't abandon Andy?
When una come together, even if you want enter your ship.
Why Kasia no abandon Kelly Ray?
Hold on, guys. Even if you want enter your ship, we said it last month. They were like, big love. They said
no, they said big love. We are just cruising with the ship. I was telling them yesterday. I said you are 3 in 1
Ola
family.
is here.
They were saying no, Victoria. Wanni took Shaun fan base. So you better correct that silly impression you
I
had.
told them yesterday. They wanted to say.
They said,
I said no.
Victoria built fan base.
Victoria did not take anybody else.
Fans from
You people might say he share his fan base with Victoria. No, but Victoria did not take anybody's fan base. Victoria's fan base is different fan base.
Different fans.
And people that supported Victoria from the beginning, they did not support Shaun.
So
you cannot say Victoria.
Some people where they big love. Remember those Shaun supporters that will be telling them, why are you shipping? They will say we are just cruising. Look at them.
Shaun, you watch your. I'm going to say it as it is. Shegu too as fault. Now Shegu go encourage this. I'm going to say it. You might not like what I'm going to say, but I will say it. I don't care. Shegu, you watch Shegu. You watch this boy. See what he passed through for these streets. You go enter ship 2 days. And I'm very sure. I'm sorry to say it is what it is. I am very sure. I am very sure Shegu also encouraged him to go for the twins. I don't care. I said what I said. I am very sure of that. Because
he was saying it. Shegu was saying it.
He was saying it. When they were asking Shegu that, come, I think this other girl will be good for Shaun. He said no.
Strong content that became
for the twins. When I saw, he said, I saw the video out there on the street. I said, okay, I think it's a plan work there. Because for you to say you should go for the twins. And now, the same Shegu is saying that if I'm in the house, I would have gone for Nelly. That means you did not expect their behavior.
You didn't even wait. You didn't wait 2 days. You abandoned your partner.
You did not expect that they were going to fight and say much in the house. Oh my God.
Hey,
2 days. Not even 2 days. You enter
not
ship.
2 days, less than 24 hours.
Partner,
you enter ship.
Your partner, you not even ask your partner what she want chop.
The thing
you don't enter ship.
You abandon Victoria.
I beg, add Victoria own join. This is how to win.
You think Chinwe? That's why I used to greet Chinwe grace.
This is how I don't give anybody grace. I will not come here and be pretty. I did not give to Chinwe grace. I don't care.
That was I used to give her.
I don't care. I'm sorry to say, I don't care. I don't care. If any husband do something, I don't need.
I mean that they were the ones that used to cook and now give Victoria food.
Yes.
Chinwe.
I'm telling you guys that all these things it matters a lot, but no. When I'm gonna teach a person don't know what thing they talk. When person go they tell us all these things, people are happy. You cannot just leave a particular girl alone like it's okay for you to go and enter
in a dual
but carry her along also. But you people say no. It's obvious that